Welcome. Welcome to the continuation of this lecture, this course, and this series. We are working on the web development with Laravel. Previously, we create the one root and interact with the root with the view section, but we don't know what is the root function actually do, and we just see the blade templating engine there. So now, in this lecture, we will discuss about the the root part. So the basic routing defines the map between HTTP methods and URLs on the one side. Okay, so what is the meaning of this? The HTTP means that when we type the HTTP 127.0.0.8000, it maps your method, HTTP methods and URI, that is the URL of that, and map with file and run your server. Okay, and the action on the another routes are normally okay. So action on the routes. So these are the particular routes. So all the routes are the normally written in this roots in roots file and web.php file have. So previously in the before the 5.4 version of the Laravel, there is a part of app, HTTP and the routes.php file. So but after that the Laravel versioning, the roots folder will be there and there are the multiple files for each, and you can also make your own file. Basically for the instance the root, for the instance we have to get that colon root colon get. Okay, so the root colon get function and the string path and the closure function, and we write the function and then return the view. So this function is basically have the closure function that return your view. So this view is like the hooks and returning with the view. The root for the get method is that, and if we put the post method, then post for the post request, we simply equals the post variable. We also discuss about the post, but initially we learn basic things about from the root get method. Root actually the pointing to the view and as well as the controller also. But before the learning the root in the Laravel, we have working on the Laravel, we have to work on the basics of the root structure in Laravel. The two things we already discussed that with subfolder you can also there, subroot also can be there. Now the one more thing here that I'm making the root, okay, and the type is the get, okay, and what I'm doing here, I'm doing I need the post, okay, one section, okay, I need the post sections, okay, and this post section slash post and function, this function is known as the closure functions. Okay, I'm doing this. Now what I'm doing here, this will be bold, this will be the close, this will be the close. Okay, spelling mistake of function. Okay, fine here. Now just type echo post id, and I'm just typing the constant value here 15. Okay, not this one, this one. Okay, now go to the PHP artisan serve, okay, and go to the base root path. So go to the base root path slash post you will get your message here. Okay, now what I'm doing, I just want to show here my post, and whatever ID I'm typing here, it will be shown instead of the 15. So now go to my web.php. Okay, and using this I'm just pasting my ID part here. Okay, in the ID section, delete this dot. Okay, okay, and this is dollar id. Okay, now, and this is also dollar id. Now what I have to do, that it's saying the undefined variable id, so I have to put this dollar id also here. Now go to the section and slash id 15. It's showing error because I have to put, okay, something issues there. Dollar id post slash id, not like this. I have to put in this section. I don't know, or not a dollar id, it's a simple id. So this is my mistake. Post 15 id slash 15, not single. Go to the id. So too few argument function, that is in the root.php. So what is the issue here? I'm just passing the value of id here. Okay, but the thing is, I have to put this id in the curly braces. Now instead of this id, just put the 15. This will show the value of your root parameter. No? Now after removing the id, this will show the not found. So this is the parameter. Now I want to make this parameter as optional, so just do this id equal to id as a column and put id as a blank. Now simple post id. Now id equal to 16. Okay, simple. So the root will be the simply here. You can make the optional parameter and required parameter also. So to making the parameter optional, just use the question mark before the parameters. After the parameters, and make it the fully blanket here. This is the basic thing that we are on running on the root section. Now to check the another part of the id root is that I have to put the send my array part or data part to my view. So root get, sorry, simple of doing this. Now I want to post in my part, no, okay, to this get. Okay, okay, now item, that may be okay, and type the function, and the function is the closure type. Okay, this is be fine here. My root will be clicked out properly here. I'm just making an array of item list. Home, about, there is issue, home, about, and contact us, array is the close. Now the array will be declared in the functions. Now I want to return a view, okay, and the view is the slash now, okay, slash, not a slash now, slash layout slash now. And since I'm attaching the code will be here, so I'm going to refresh commenting here. So go to view, okay, root parameter, okay, this will be here. But simple thing is that I have to post the compact and pass this array without dollar item list. So pass data to view. Now go to the file, nav.plate.php, and state of this type, okay, and loop for the view. So for the loop, just in the blade section, if you want for each loop, add the rate for each, okay, and my is item list, I think, as dollar now, okay, and I want to close this and of for each, and in the UI section using the li, just put your now. Now go to your path layout slash now. There is no root like that layout now. So go to the web, and sorry, it's a now item, root name, and it's showing my value of the array there. So what will be there? We create the root, that is a get type, and path string will be there. In the closure function, we declare an array, and this array will send to the view using the compact function. The compact function is just used to send an array and the list form of the string. So just put the name over there, and this compact function completely will be shown your array. If there is some more array here, like that product, so the product will be also you can use here, like that mobile laptop. So you can use the comma and this thing here, and dollar product will be here, not the dollar product, simple the product. And before after this you can type the all products name and copy this, that same for it if you want to prove show in the UI, ULEI. So I forgot my array name, that is product, okay, product name, and copy the product name here. This thing here, the multiple array can be passed to the root, to the views. Now this is the part we discuss here. So to summarize here, uh, we create the simple basic root. Okay, get the views, get the optional parameters, get root to views. Now I want to move from root to controller. So to move from root to controller, first of all, create controller. So PHP artisan make controller, and the controller name is my product controller. Okay. mm, PHP artisan so make controller make controller automatically be created here. Close this file, save my web.php file, resources, app, http, controller, product controller will be there. Now this is my controller file. Now I have to make the function. Now I want to move from root to controller. For this I have to make one root, and this root is root to controller data pass. So make the root, that type is get. Okay, and that already we want that root name is product. Okay, comma, again second part, that we part the dollar array. So the dollar array you can pass using the name of the view, or name of the view will be the nav dot nav no controller. So the product controller at the rate the method which are making. So we are making the method that is public function, and the name is get product. Okay, curly braces close. Now the same copy and paste my this thing, the array of my product, putting here. Okay, simple thing here. Now copy my method name here and put it here. So this root, what we tell us, okay, make the root, that method is the get. Okay, and that path will be the slash product, and this after this product, go to the product controller. Go to the product controller, that product controller, and at the get function get product, and see the output is this one, undefined variable item list, because in the nav.plate.php layout name.plate.php there is no array of the item, so we have to remove this one. Okay, and right now we have to remove this thing also. So to remove this comment, undefined variable item list, because it's not commenting. Okay, you all getting all the file here. But for this, that you need the all for the all the things you need to